This is Cooper playing at the beach with his dump truck. Uh-oh, he fell over. Load it up. Are you loading your dump truck?